Well, let's in the meantime shift focus and talk about what's happening in domestic news when it comes to two major political developments that have now taken place in the state of Maharashtra, which seems to have sparked fresh speculations over the possible realignments within the NCP. So we are talking about NCP Sharad Pawar faction leaders like Jayant Patil and Jitendra Abhad, who held a meeting with the Deputy Chief Minister Eknath Shinde. Now, Times Now has accessed exclusive pictures of that said meeting between Sharad Pawar's close aide Jayant Patil and Eknath Shinde. Meanwhile, sources also suggest that Parth Pawar, the son of the late Ajit Pawar, met Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis. Now we have some breaking inputs coming in, so let's put that out for our viewers. And what we are learning as what the sources indicate, that the BJP has given in its principal approval for Sharad Pawar's NCP-SP faction to join the NDA, but with one key condition, that the Sharad Pawar-led NCP faction and the Ajit Pawar-led NCP faction first merges before entering the alliance with the NDA. Now, Sharad Pawar has reportedly tasked his close aide Jayant Patil with steering the negotiations, and Patil has already had meetings with several BJP leaders. That includes Vinod Tavre, Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis, Deputy Chief Minister Eknath Shinde, as well as NCP leaders like Sunil Tatkare and Praful Patel. Sources further claim that the BJP has offered at least 2 cabinet berths, one each to Supriya Sule from Sharad Pawar camp and Praful Patel from the Ajit Pawar camp, while Jayant Patil is likely to get the finance portfolio in the state of Maharashtra. So that seems to be a development. Arunil, good morning. So first, merger of the two NCP factions, and then the NDA would accept them in their alliance. What are we now looking at? And all of this crucially is happening just days ahead of the monsoon session of Parliament.
Well, good morning to you, Amita. Basically, we'll explain the NCP conundrum to our viewers. It looks like Sharad Pawar has entrusted the responsibility to his close aide, Jayant Patil, who's been holding series of meetings, at least in the last 2 weeks. He met Vinod Tavre, CM Devendra Fadnavis, also met Deputy CM Eknath Shinde. The pictures were also released. He has met leaders from NCP Ajit Pawar camp as well. The BJP is giving a clear message to Sharad Pawar, basically saying that we are going to accept a united NCP. NCP merger is something the BJP wants. And the BJP is going to get the support of 8 crucial MPs from NCP Sharad Pawar camp. What Sharad Pawar gets from this is the control of his old party that he has only formed. The control had one faction had gone to Ajit Pawar. Now, after his demise, if both the factions merge, Sharad Pawar automatically gets control of that. One objection, one leader who's objecting to these developments is obviously Sunetra Pawar, who's the Deputy CM of Maharashtra, because Sunetra Pawar and Parth Pawar feel that if at all the merger happens, then the entire control of the party goes to the family patriarch, that is Mr. Sharad Pawar, and their significance relatively will reduce after that. The BJP has also offered 2 key central cabinet berths, one each to both the NCP factions, one to Supriya Sule, who's the daughter of Sharad Pawar, and one to Praful Patel, who's from the NCP Ajit Pawar camp. And 2 more state ministries in Maharashtra cabinet have also been offered. One is for Jayant Patil, the finance portfolio with Ajit Pawar used to handle. At present, it is with CM Devendra Fadnavis, and another key portfolio to Jitendra Abhad, a close aide of Sharad Pawar. So developments happening clearly thick and fast. CM Devendra Fadnavis seems to be playing the mediator role to get both the NCP factions on one page. And in NCP Ajit Pawar faction, we also understand some of the senior leaders like Praful Patel and Sunil Tatkare.
So strategically and politically, what would be a viable option for the NCP, both of the camps there? Well, it sees that crucial meetings and huddles that has been taking place with the senior party leadership of the BJP, both in Maharashtra and the central side as well. Remains to be seen what really happens, because we're just days away from the monsoon session of Parliament to begin in New Delhi. Thank you very much for the moment, Arunil, for joining us here on the broadcast.